Hello, I'm CG This is a quick video to show how to use 3 steps to blur image background in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have an image. I drag and drop into Photoshop to open the image. This is an image I downloaded from freepack.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now I press Ctrl 0 to view fit. Next, make sure that we have layers window. If you don't have layers window, we can go to window and show layers here. Now we can do the first step. The first step, we can make selection to the woman. We can use contextual taskbar. We can go to window and show contextual taskbar here. And then we can select subject and wait a moment. The woman is selected, and then we can go to background. I press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to copy and paste the woman into new layer. So we have a woman in the new layer, layer 1. Now I make the woman invisible. I go back to make visible for the background. Next, the second step, we can remove the woman from the background layer. I make selection to the woman and then select the background layer and then go to select and modify, and we can expand the selection. I will use 10. I keep it in 10 and press OK. Next, we can go to contextual taskbar. We can use generative fill, and I type remove and press generate and wait a moment. So woman is removed. We have the option, the first option, the second option, and the third option. I will use this option, and then we can make multiple selection for the generative fill layer and the background layer. And I use right click and go to convert it to smart object. So we have done the second step to remove the woman from the background. The third step, we can select the background layer and then go to filter and go to blur. We can make the background blur using Gaussian Blur. So we can adjust the radius to control the amount of blur. For example, I will use 30 and press OK. So finally, we can make visible for the woman layer. We can see before and after. So these are the 3 steps to blur image background using Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.